Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start now by powering off and unplugging the keyboard. This prevents shorts and data errors. Use a keycap puller and remove keycaps in clusters so you keep track of layout. Take a clear photo for reference because reassembly is faster with an image. Gently lift each cap straight up. If a cap resists, wiggle slightly, don't twist hard. Once done, set removed caps in labeled trays. These steps minimize damage and keep your workflow organized. Now move to switch removal, distinguishing hot swappable from soldered. If hot swappable, press the retention clip and pull the switch straight out. This prevents bending pins. If soldered, heat each joint with a soldering iron, use a wick or pump to remove solder, and gently extract the switch. Do one pin at a time. Wear an ESD strap to protect the PCB and work on an anti-static mat. Once a switch is free, inspect pins, clean flux and debris to ensure reliable reinstallation. Finish by testing every empty socket or removed switch using a switch tester or continuity check because you want to catch faults early. Reattach keycaps using your reference photo, pressing each cap straight down until you feel it seat. This guarantees consistent key travel. If a switch won't seat, stop. Check for bent pins, leftover solder, or a misaligned housing. These blockages are the usual culprits. If necessary, reflow or resolder carefully. Finally, plug in and test all keys to confirm success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.